A year after Hurricane Maria slammed Puerto Rico, officials of the U.S. territory now say the death toll there could top 1,400. That would make it the deadliest hurricane in the U.S. since Katrina, killed more than 1,800 in 2005. David Begnaud was in Puerto Rico when Maria hit. He is back on the island tonight.
The death toll in Puerto Rico following Hurricane Maria may be 20 times higher than the government's last official toll of 64. Puerto Rican officials acknowledged in a report to Congress that their own data reveals that there were more than 1,400 deaths in the 4 months after the hurricane than normal.
David, we've always said that the amount was going to be higher.
Hector Pesquera is Puerto Rico's Secretary of Public Safety.
Secretary, how do you get past the fact that a lot of people watching right now think that the government has lied about the death toll from the beginning?
All I can say is that there is no lie, there is no misleading. Always we said that it most likely will go up.
Hurricane Maria tore through Puerto Rico last September, becoming the second deadliest hurricane in the last 90 years. Puerto Rico's Governor Ricardo Rosselló has faced criticism that his administration severely undercounted the number of Hurricane Maria-related deaths. I asked the governor last week about the official death toll.
People say it's the official count. It's just really the count that.
It's where the count stopped.
It's where it stopped when we realized that it wasn't appropriate.
Another growing issue on the island, the morgue has run out of space to store unidentified bodies. It's been a problem for the last several years, but now refrigerated trucks have been brought in to store corpses. Nearly 150 bodies are still unidentified and awaiting autopsy. Officials say a lack of money and a lack of resources are to blame for the growing backlog. And only recently did Puerto Rico's governor ask federal authorities for help. Help is on the way. The U.S. Department of Health is sending pathologists and radiologists to help identify and autopsy the remains of individuals who are inside of those trailers, and some of them have been here for years. Jeff, I asked a government official what took so long to say the obvious, that the death toll was likely higher, and he said, David, this is big news because we, quote, are terrible at communicating. By the way, Jeff, Puerto Rico has told Congress they think it's going to cost $139 billion to fully recover from the storm.
All right, David Begnaud, I know you're also working on a documentary for our streaming network, CBSN. Thank you very much, David.